All right, today we're going to talk about Greek modes, the so-called Greek modes, which usually people get confused, messed up, especially because depending on the way that you are explaining, well, it sounds very complex and difficult to understand. But it's not that much, all right? I will tell you why. Before understanding Greek modes, the first thing that I suggest, put aside Greek mode term, right? Let's focus on one thing first. First, you have to understand and accept that sometimes we play in a certain key. Like, for example, imagine that I'm playing my song, the key is C major. But although the key of the song is C major, I can fairly play actually other chords in the song and not even play the C major itself chord. For example, let me show you something. You see that I didn't even play the chord of C major. It wasn't there. But my key, of course, kept being the C major. And of course, since I knew that the key was kept in being the chord of this, the key of C, of course, I was playing on the scale of C, right? But that's the point. You see that this is a different sound, right? It sounds differently. Why? Because the scale keeps being C, but the lead guitar is not, it sounds like it's not actually, they're not actually thinking about C chord or even the C itself. So that makes the sound differently. Well, in that case, just the fact that I was playing the scale of C major, but the playback was on D minor, that means that I'm playing on Dorian. You know what I mean? Because we have Ionian, which is the first note of the scale of C. If you think about Greek modes, like for example, if my playback was still on the key, but the focus chord was C, then if I was playing the scale of C, I would play over the Ionian mode. But since, of course, I'm playing on the scale of C, doesn't matter where I started, if it is the first or second notes of the scale, but my playback was focused on the D minor, all right? That means that I'm not playing in Ionian. I'm playing actually on the scale of what? Of course, C major, if you can call that, if you want to call that way, it doesn't change anything. But I can also say that I was playing on D Dorian, all right? That's it. So I hope they helped you to understand that, and we're gonna make another videos about that in the future. But that's it. Hope that you have a great day, and any doubt, just let a comment here below, right? And don't forget to really follow us. We really need your support. Bye.